Problem list, onset, and resolution dates. Onset and resolution dates are significant for certain electronic clinical quality measures that we are required to report to CMS. For the safe use of opioids, the presence of an onset date on a cancer problem allows that patient's account to be part of the denominator exclusion. For severe obstetric complications, the presence of an onset date for certain problems allows that patient's account to be evaluated for risk variables and for stratification of the data. This is a current list of the problems that are included as obstetric complications for this particular measure. For hospital harm, severe hyperglycemia, the presence of an onset date for a diagnosis of diabetes allows for the patient's account to be included for the initial population. This tip sheet is available on the internet or can be sent to provider offices as needed. For test patient Anna Marie, we'll add a problem of breast cancer. By typing 3 letters of each word, the system is able to search for those terms and allow me to pick the appropriate problem. I can indicate the patient's this problem is active, then indicate the onset date by clicking on the empty area under onset. This defaults to an approximate month-year format. You can also select that the onset is unknown, or if you need to indicate that it's the exact date, you can say today. If I click today now, while it is under the approximate section, it'll arrive with this little symbol that indicates an approximate date. So if I want to indeed say that it is an exact date, I would click to exact and then indicate today. I can also go over here and expand this problem and indicate that this is a suspected diagnosis. If this particular problem was entered in error, I can also delete the problem. For this patient, this problem is active and acute onset of today, so I'll save this. For another patient, I'm going to go to resolve a problem. The eclampsia is now resolved, so if I move this problem to history and then expand this problem under the history area, I can indicate a resolution date. If the date is today, then I want to indicate that exact date is today and save this problem. This concludes the review of entering onset and resolution dates for problems. Thank you.